मैं आपके लिए लेके आई हूँ एक मिक्स फैशन हॉल। इसमें है क्लोथिंग, मेकअप भी है एंड कपल ऑफ रियली इंटरेस्टिंग थिंग्स जो मैंने फ्लिपकार्ट से मंगाए हैं। सो आई एम श्योर यू गोना एंजॉय दिस हॉल, सो स्टे ट्यून्ड। इसमें जो क्लोथ्स हैं दोस आर गोना बी ट्राई ऑन्स एंड डेफिनेटली लाइक सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिए। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So the first thing I'll start off with is the clothing items. ये थोड़े ही हैं, तो ये है only, ये स्कर्ट मैंने लिया था, this is the only thing I got from only. तो ये जो स्कर्ट है, I've been looking for a denim skirt for like months or maybe a year. I had a very beautiful one जो actually it got lost. I can't believe I'm saying this. A denim skirt got lost, लेकिन शायद ये धोबी के पास गया था pre-lockdown and it's not returned or something like that has happened. तो I lost my most beautiful gorgeous fitting denim skirt. तब से मैं ढूंढ रही हूँ। तो ये जो है it was closest to it. I really like distressed denim. लेकिन unfortunately इस टाइप का कुछ भी नहीं था। जो थे वो इतने short थे कि like don't even ask. So this is a very nice skirt. तो इसमें जो है थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे elastic है and there are 2 buttons over here and it looks really nice. मैं आपको try on में दिखाऊंगी. So this is the only thing I got. Now sing it again. Okay, the next thing I have got is from Puma. अब ये है एक one of my biggest buys post lockdown. तो basically मैंने एक revenge makeup shopping भी की है. I'll probably do a makeup haul of that later on. तो ये is one of those things जो post lockdown like I went for a huge buy because I don't know what I was thinking, but I'm loving this. इसका कोई regrets नहीं है. I have no regrets buying this from Puma. So basically इसका तो एक अपने आप में unboxing video बनना चाहिए, but then so this is actually an athleisure set. This is actually an athleisure set. इसमें है एक जैकेट. Look at the color. Of course, उल्टा करके हॉल करना तो मेरी स्पेशलिटी है. Okay, so the first thing I'll show you guys is this jacket. It's a set of this जैकेट एंड द पैंट जो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी. ये ट्राई ऑन बना आपके समझ में नहीं आएगा, तो इसके पहले विल जस्ट चेक आउट द जैकेट. सी दिस कम्स विद इट्स वेरी बॉक्सी इन फिट. और ये जो है ना, इसका जो फैब्रिक है इट्स प्रीटी डिफरेंट. इट्स लाइक आई कांट एक्सप्लेन इट. ये क्या फैब्रिक है, आई डोंट नो. इट्स लाइक अ ड्राई वीव, बट ये कुछ और है, आई डोंट नो व्हाट. इट कॉस्ट अ मदरफकिंग बॉम्ब. I have to say that. ये जो अकेला जो था, ये अलोन कुछ 4000 रुपीज़ का है. I'll have the prices down of course. So this guy is like this. इसके नीचे जो ये है, this is a kind of a tie on. This is adjustable. So you can adjust this as per your waist size. अब ये है size medium. I like my jackets short. तो ये medium मेरे लिए काफ़ी बड़ा है. So I'm still in the process of asking them for a small because this is the only set they had. In fact, what I was told is कि ये इतने जल्दी sell out हो जाते हैं कि like people literally take 2 of the same thing in sizes. I don't know how true that is. Okay guys, so ये है jacket का try on and as you can see ये medium है. So I thought it's a little bit too big because I like my jackets a little short. Like जो sleeves है ये ऐसे हैं. It's got a very classy kind of a zipper. It's like this. और ये जो है flap, this is on the chest. It's a very cute flap, this one here. And ये जो नीचे है, you have these ties जो you can just adjust. So essentially you can wear this jacket with jeans, with a skirt, with anything you like. ये मेरे लिए तो I fell in love the moment I saw it. It was love at first sight. That I've realized that such things like sometimes जो आपको फिर दोबारा नहीं मिलती. So I went for it when I'm like not one to buy such expensive jackets etc. So this is the jacket. The pant is in here. I haven't even worn it yet. Okay, so this is that, and the pant. This should be, it's like kind of like an unboxing kind of thing. So these are the trousers, and full of. Why do they have so much tissue in them? So these are the athleisure trousers, and let me tell you, this looks bomb. So probably that's why the price is also bomb. ये भी थे solid, like basically really solid. In let me tell you how much this was for. Mind blowing 3999. So ये 4000 का था और वो कुछ 4.5 something like that. So this is what this looks like, but this is not the shit which we see online or like places like Club Factory. This is a very different fabric. It is a very cool. Like, can you see this? There is this what is this? This is this beautiful kind of a print on the side, and नीचे भी इसके भी same tie on है जो jacket में है. There was the same kind of tie on here, which is being framed by my beautiful sunflowers, real ones, because you know I love sunflowers, ये मिलते नहीं हैं. Anyways, without digressing, so this is what the bottom is. ये भी आप adjust कर सकते हो. It is an athleisure set, so ये इतना महंगा है. Of course मैं जिम में तो पहन नहीं सकती, because I'll ruin it with my sweat. So this is going to be like just for evenings, out loungewear etc. उसी के लिए सही है ये. This is too expensive to go to the gym. I mean like I know 3000 के types आते हैं, but इसका जो total the color scheme है, it comes in pink as well as black. You get both, like आपको black, you can wear the entire thing in black as well if you're not as flashy as me. So that was all for the clothing in this. इसके बाद I'll come down to some very interesting makeup and etc. products. So this is a super cheap brush set. ये मैंने मंगाया था Flipkart से in the Flipkart sale. So I got it for some really like 300 or 400 or something like that. तो इसका original price कितना था? I don't know the original price, but I can bet you that it should not be more than 300-400. So आपको इससे पता चलता है it is so cheap. Can you see the plastic? It's like super cheap, but it's okay for like every kind of a brush set. So this is what this looks like. ऐसा ही है, and it's quite nice. It's got a foundation brush, contour brush, blush, और ये छोटे brushes for your eyeshadows, buffing, etc. So it's quite nice for 300-400 rupees. And मैं ये तो बोलूँगी ज़रूर कि it's quite soft. The bristles are quite soft. ऐसा नहीं है कि it's like you know very hard or something. It's quite nice. So I think even for like if it just lasts you 6 months, 1 year, it's okay. The price point, it's okay. Okay, the next thing, I went shopping to the body shop and वहाँ पे मैंने बहुत ही interesting एक चीज़ ली है. So from the body shop, the most interesting thing I went there for is their body buffer, body bronzer. ऐसा कुछ था which I checked out in a lot of places. I saw a lot of people talking about it, so I wanted to try that. When I went to the shop, मैंने इसको जब try किया, it was nothing like जो मैंने imagine किया था या जो उसका इतना hype था. It was not at all like that. So that was not at all worth it, and I mean like for me at least. तो उसकी जगह पे there was I saw this product. इस पे एक सेल चल रही थी, buy one get one. So this is something really interesting. ये क्या है? Is illuminating drops of gold luster finish creator. ये जो है you can add this to your foundation to give you a glowy look, or you can just use it like a highlighter, or you can just mix it up and use it on your body. So let me just show you. These are both brand new. So let me just squirt it out. Oopsies. Oops. That's right. I'm going to break it right here, right now. So let me get a little closer to the camera for this. So let me show you this. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. आप देख रहे हो ये जो sheen है. I'm not going to buff it out much. Can you see that sheen? Like so pretty. Look. So can you just see that sheen? It's so beautiful, guys. Like seriously, ये real में इतना खूबसूरत है. It's actually like gold. This is actually gold. I hope the camera like focuses a bit much. This is actually like gold. I think I'm in love. ये काफ़ी ये एक पंप है, just one pump. ये you cannot wear it as a foundation. No, these are actually illuminating drops. I think if I said it, you can wear it like a foundation, it's not going to work. You look like a joker. But this I retract that. You will not look like a joker. You will look alienly beautiful. लेकिन ये कोई भी नहीं पहन सकता all over your face. This is only for like something like that, and it is so beautiful. So what I intend to do this is just take a couple of drops on your mix it in your body lotion and put it on your arms or like legs when you're going out for an evening or something of that sort. So this is what this is for. It is a fabulous buy. ये buy one get one का जो फंडा था बहुत ही बढ़िया था. This 16.95 per bottle. उसमें आपको 2 मिलती हैं. I don't know if the sale is still on, but please do check in the stores. So this was fabulous. A very beautiful purchase. So the next thing in here, ये मैंने ऑनलाइन मंगाया है from NYKAA. There was the Ankita Srivastav का जो like the choice or something of that sort. So ये 2 farsalis मैंने मंगाई हैं from NYKAA. I have never ever used farsali before this because I am a big believer of facial essential oils from Ayurveda. तो मुझे लगा था कि basically ये भी एक तरीके के essential oils हैं. Like why do I pay so much? They are damn expensive, very expensive. ये दोनों लेकिन मुझे अच्छे डील में मिले. That's the only reason I bought them, and after using them they are really nice, no doubt. Especially ये glass वाला बहुत अच्छा है, but I will not be buying the rose blood elixir again most probably. I need to try them a little bit more before giving you a fair and square review. So these are the 2 things I'm really excited to try. जो glass था, it is really nice. I cannot deny, it was really nice. So that was that. The next thing जो मैंने पहले कभी नहीं use किया, but I'm using it for the first time, is the PAC HD liquid foundation. So I'm wearing this right now on my face, and it is really beautiful, no doubt. But as far as I'm concerned, it's not up there with Maybelline and you know, जो हमारी favorites है. It's like not that great, but it's still very very beautiful. This is for 790 bucks. ये shade जो है, this is I can't even read. I'll have it down here. So these are the shades. This is a very nice foundation, but I think PAC का foundation is something really nice. I was hearing a lot about it and I wanted to try it. I do like it very very much. ये everyday use के लिए बहुत ही अच्छा foundation है. I tend to not use my very expensive foundations for everyday wear if you're just going here and there, you know. So पहली बात मैं रोज makeup पहनती नहीं हूँ, nobody does. But when I do wear my makeup, I don't wear makeup every single day, but I have a separate makeup for like when I'm going for a very big night out, and like you know, for if you're just going for just something. So the next two very interesting things are again from NYKAA. तो ये जो है फिर मैंने बहुत रिसर्च की, बिकॉज लॉकडाउन में मेरे पास बहुत टाइम था, फ्रस्ट्रेटेड था, फ्रस्ट्रेशन भी था. सो ये जो थी दो ब्रॉन्जर्स, आई डिस्कवर्ड ब्रॉन्जर्स in like basically lockdown. I used to never use them earlier, and these are some of the best bronzers you will find in the market. ये है from Physicians Formula, a very underrated brand. ये था for it's a very very affordable one as well. Okay, NYKAA जो है वो Hawk Makeup से इसको send किया है. So I already ordered from Hawk. It was a good experience. So this is super affordable. I'm not getting the price but it was affordable. So this is the butter bronzer. It looks like this. And these are the best bronzers like out there. ये जो है आप जब मैंने इसको रिसर्च किया, I saw some of the best reviews from even the foreign MUAs for these bronzers. So it looks very very pretty. ये ऐसा दिखता है. Let me give you a close up. So it opens like this, and this is the bronzer inside. Very beautiful. और इसके साथ एक brush भी आता है. You get the brush along with it. Oops. So the brush inside this one is there's also a small little mirror in here. It's flashing on you. So there's a mirror in here, and it comes with a very weird applicator जो आप बिल्कुल फेंक दीजिए, because this is something so weird कि like if you do watch Jeffree Star, so if you see his review of this, he was so confused कि है क्या. Literally आप भी होगे. Can you see this? ये क्या है? Like nobody knows ये क्या है. What is this? So how can you put bronzer or anything? I don't know ये क्या है. There's like this is going to work good for probably this kind of a foundation thing. लेकिन other than that ये इतना useless है. इसको आज तक use नहीं किया है मैंने. As you can see, ये still अभी भी अपने plastic wrap में है. So this is the weirdo, but the bronzer itself is amazing. It's a very pretty packaging and it smells very good. It smells like coconuts and pina colada drink. And this one is the bronzer in Sunkissed, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, this is in Sunkissed. ये जो दूसरा है ये है Bronze Booster. ये उससे ज़्यादा dark है, and this looks like that. I've been using this quite a bit, and this comes with a very nice brush. I mean, like very nice का मतलब जो brush होता है. It comes with a little brush, which I don't mind using this. I mean, it's okay with me. It gives me a good finish. And in fact, I'm wearing it right now. So should I swatch this, guys? This one for you guys. So I don't know if you can see that. A small swatch over there. So another one. इसको थोड़ा dark करती हूँ. So hope you can see that. So this is something which I think will go very well with wheatish to medium skin tones. ये bronzers इतने अच्छे हैं. They blend so they're actually like muru butter bronzer. It's सच में it's like very buttery. So these are the few things I got for makeup, and I've got a lot of makeup coming up for you guys. In fact, मैंने Benefit से भी बहुत कुछ लिया है, Too Faced से लिया है. I'll share it with you. Let me know if you want to see some more makeup reviews of big palettes I've taken. And that is all from me for you guys in this haul. And I will see you guys soon in my next one. Till then, see ya and stay beautiful. Like, subscribe करना मत भूलना. Bye. What the fuck? The fuck have I done? It was the right side and मैंने इसको उल्टा कर दिया. Okay. So recently I had gone to so the most interesting thing I've taken from Body Shop. Oh god. So जो body shop का जो there's a bronzing lotion which you have to like like put all over your body to look very bronze and beautiful and all that. Like put all over your body to look very bronze and beautiful.